Hello everyone, this is Rose. Today I will be unboxing a gift from Caronia. So let's open it. See what we got. Caronia at Home Nail Care Buddies. Grooming your nails and keeping them clean and comfort of your home is very convenient. Caronia provides an easy access to your nail care staples while staying indoor for a total mani-pedi experience. So we have Caronia Cuticle Blush, Caronia Nail Polish Remover, Caronia Cuticle Remover, Caronia Fast Dry Top Coat, Caronia Solvent. This is used to clean our metal implements like pusher, nipper, nail cutter. We have Caronia Nail Hardener and Base Coat. This is one of those things that I always have. And we have Caronia Matte Top Coat, Caronia Kwik-Dry and Cuticle Conditioner, and we have Caronia Hand Sanitizer, which is very important these days. It's a non-stick hand sanitizer, disinfects and moisturizes. It kills 99.9% of germs. And we have Caronia Hand Towel, which we can use for when we're doing our manicure and pedicure. So we got Caronia Hand Sanitizer, Nail Polish Remover, Cuticle Blush, Cuticle Remover, Matte Top Coat, Fast Dry Top Coat, Solvent, Quick Dry, and Nail Hardener. Now I'm going to show you how to use it. First, we're going to remove our old nail polish using a cotton ball and a Caronia Nail Polish Remover. Caronia Nail Polish Remover will remove your old nail polish fast without drying your nails and cuticles. Next is trim your nails using a nail cutter if it's necessary. Shape your nails using a nail file to achieve your preferred nail shape. Apply Caronia Cuticle Remover to soften your cuticles. This helps remove overgrown cuticles and does not leave stains with its formulation. Using a nail pusher, gently push back the cuticles. Use brush to clean up the nails. remove any excess cuticles using cuticle nippers. Buff the nails with the nail buffer to smoothen the surface. Use brush to clean up the nails. Apply Caronia Cuticle Blush around the cuticles. This will cleanse, disinfects, and sanitizes your nails and achieve the healthy looking nails. Let it sit for a few seconds and then brush. Apply Caronia Nail Hardener and base coat on your nails. This will help strengthen your nails to resist from breaking. At the same time, it will smooth out ridges and it will also protect your nails from yellowing. Choose your favorite Caronia nail polish and apply it on your nails. Here is my favorite Caronia nail polish color. Now I'm going to apply the first coat. So start with a thin layer. After you apply with the first coat, you let it dry for a few seconds and then apply the second coat. Apply Caronia Fast Dry Top Coat to dry your nail polish faster. This will give your manicure a glossier look. You may also choose the Caronia Matte Top Coat if you want a matte finish. Apply a drop of Caronia Kwik-Dry to seal your manicure perfectly. And that's it. It's done. After your manicure is all dry, don't forget to clean your metal implements like nail pusher, nail nipper, and nail cutter using Caronia Solvent and a cotton ball. This will keep them clean and avoid stains. Caronia products is available on Shopee, Lazada, and Beauty Manila. Just research Caronia Philippines. That's it, everyone. Thank you for watching.